I thank Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Finance Minister for giving a very good allocation, a record allocation for development of railway network in Andhra Pradesh. 9,417 crore rupees, 9,417 crore rupees is the allocation for development of railways in Andhra Pradesh. This is very significant allocation. I am repeating the number. 9417 crore. If you compare it with the UPA period, it is 11 times the allocation that used to happen during UPA period. 11 times. And I would like you to take note of a very important number. Andhra Pradesh Railways is investing 84,559 crore rupees. 84,559 crore rupees worth total projects, that is the investment going into Andhra Pradesh. 84,559 crore total. So the projects which are sanctioned, ongoing projects which are sanctioned, the amount for that, the investment amount for that is 84,559 crore. 73 stations are being redeveloped fully, completely redeveloped. 100% electrification is completed. 100% electrification is completed, and in last 10 years, 1,560 kilometer new railway tracks have been constructed. 1,560 kilometer of new railway tracks, which is more than the network of entire Sri Lanka country. Sri Lanka's network, it is more than that, has been added in AP, has been added new in just 10 years. That is the pace of work which is happening. If you look at some of the data, the average pace of electrification during the UPA period was 37 km per year. Now it is 177, 5 times. This pace is huge. And I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister Garu for his very good cooperation in all the projects. There is very good coordination between center and state. Projects are moving very fast. 8 Vande Bharat trains covering 15 districts are right now passing through or starting from Andhra Pradesh, connecting Odisha, connecting Telangana, connecting Tamil Nadu. So this is very good coverage, and many more will come in the future.